degfed o Hydref yn cael ei nodi fel Diwrnod Iechyd Meddwl ar draws y byd. We acknowledge the 10th of October as World Mental Health Day. Ond y gwir yw, mae pawb yn byw gyda iechyd meddwl bob dydd. But in reality, we all live with mental health every day.
Ond yn y flwyddyn, mae llawer wedi gorfod newid ein ffordd o fyw. Nid oes amser mwy pwysig wedi bod i siarad am iechyd meddwl.
But as we live in this uncertain times, it's more important than ever to speak about mental health.
Mae pawb iechyd meddwl, chi a fi, a mae pawb yn gallu cael diwrnodau da a gwael.
We all have mental health, you and I. We experience some better days and not so better days.
Ond beth os ydyn ni'n teimlo fel bod mwy o diwrnodau gwael na da?
And what if our darker days outweigh our better days?
O fewn blwyddyn, bydd un yn bob 4 person yn profi problem iechyd meddwl. 1 in 4 of us will fight a mental health problem this year. Mae 50% o broblemau iechyd meddwl hir dymor wedi dechrau erbyn fod unigolyn yn 14 oed. 50% of long-term mental health problems have started by the time individuals are 14 years of age.
Ond cofiwch chi ddim wrth eich hunan, sim siom mewn siarad.
But you are not alone, there is no shame speaking out.
Siaradwch â ffrind, rhiant, athroni a thrawes, neu halwch am help dros y wir.
Talk to your friends, parents, companions, teachers, or seek help online.
Speaking out is the only way to end stigma.
Mae'n bwysig y bod ni'n gyd yn gofalu am ein iechyd meddwl, gall problem iechyd meddwl effeithio ar unrhyw un. It's vital that we care about our mental well-being. Any one of us could develop a mental health problem.
Dyma rai tips i'ch helpu. Wnewch rhywbeth sy'n eich yn hapus.
Here are some tips to help you. Try and do things you enjoy and make you happy.
Cymerwch gyfrwrdd a help gan teulu a ffrindiau. Build a strong support network and lean on them when you're not feeling great.
Bwytewch a byddwch lawer. Mae'n bwysig bwyta brecwast, swper a cino. Does dim byd gwath na bod yn llwglyd na blynedyn. Improve your mood with food. Nothing worse than being hungry. Ensure you eat breakfast, lunch and dinner.
Datblygwch strategaethau i ddelio gyda straen. Develop strategies to help with strain and stressors.
Cofiwch cadw'n actif, mae'n helpu rheoli'r tymau a teimladau. Remember to stay active. It helps to regulate feelings and emotions.
Cysgwch. Mae angen 7 awr o gwsg arnoch chi i feddwl yn glir. Never underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Make sure you have at least 7 or more hours of a good night rest.
Rhowch y ffôn i lawr, cysylltwch mewn person.
Connect in person and put the phone down.
Byddai pawb yn gofyn am triniaeth bai chi wedi torri eich braich. Felly gwnewch yr un peth am broblem meddwl. Everyone would want help with a broken arm, so make sure you seek support if you don't feel like your usual self. Stop the stigma, break the silence, seek support. Stopa'r stigma, ti ddim ar ben dy hun, paid â bod ofn.